AtomVie is a global leading CDMO that offers specialized manufacturing services in the field of radiopharmaceuticals and radioligand therapies. Our mission is to offer transforming treatments to patients using radiotherapies, and by doing so, helping patients with better patient outcomes as well as improved quality of life.
So basically we take an asset that is ready to go clinical, we develop it, we develop the process, the methods, and then we validate it and do the clinical manufacturing for the clinical trials, and then go to commercial manufacturing when the asset is registered. So we're currently building a new facility that will increase our capacity by at least 10 times. And so that for us is one of the main focus today at the SNMMI.
The radiopharmaceutical therapies have short shelf life. It's because of the nature of these drugs, and therefore you have to get these drugs to the patients on time at very short time frame. So you have to make sure that you have operations, quality as well as supply chain work like clockwork to ensure that you manufacture the drugs and release them and get these drugs to the patients on time so that they can be dosed at the hospitals.
Being a CDMO, we have a good accent for now in the development. So what we do, we empower the next generation of radiotherapeutics by developing the process, developing the methods, and make sure that they can be injected into humans. So there's a whole good manufacturing practices that come into play.
So the new site is essentially an extension of the current manufacturing infrastructure that we have at McMaster. We've shipped to over 26 countries, and we've also handled over 4,000 doses, and we've done this at a reliability rate of 98% and an on-time shipment rate of 97.1%. SNMMI is one of the premier conferences in the field of nuclear medicine, and it sort of attracts individuals from the industry that have the mission of progressing this field of nuclear medicine, especially when it comes to radiotherapies.
Short-term goal is to get the new facility up and running. We expect the facility to be ready by the end of this year or maybe very early in January. So that's the current main goal, that's the focus of the whole company, I would say. And on the long term is to get into the commercial manufacturing space. And with that, get into a space where we are profitable, long-term, self-sustainable in building the company for years to come.